Officially time, y'all. We've got fucking snow. It is most definitely snow out. It is so fucking snow right now. Oh, I gotta check my fucking headlight. Fuck. Shit. Damn, bro.
What a perfect time to go driving.
I know, right?
These cars should be used to this.
They are. But like, I want to go drifting. If I fucking put it under too much load, it fucking misfires. That doesn't mean I won't. I'm still gonna try because I'm an asshole. Ooh, I need gloves.
So do I. Do you want to take a trip to like somewhere in the Fusion? It's got those all seasons.
Sure. I need
I
gloves.
also want wipers.
Okay.
Yeah.
AutoZone probably has gloves.
Probably.
AutoZone it is.
And man, this thing feels so low now.
Yeah. Is the seat all the way down?
Yes. Yes. That thing is so... The roof is like, whoo, and this one's like...
I just know that you're gonna reach for that handbrake at some point. I know the bullshit you stay on 24/7.
That motherfucker's just going. When it gets icy out here, that's the motherfucker that's gonna be in a ditch.
The Explorer?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, Jesus.
I like this person pulling out.
Yeah, you really, like, bro, the last thing you want to do right now is test people's braking distances. Big O. B-I-I-G-O.
It's a D.
Oh, it's bigot. Oh, he's a bigot. That's what it means. He's bigoted. Well, rear end him. All these bitches in their trucks and shit, and they're like, you know, they're gonna be acting all high and mighty, thinking they hot shit and whatnot, right? And then there's this dude in the Mustang who probably actually has his shit together, and I respect that
Let the Elvis
massively.
Presley play.
Yeah, seriously. And that Altima's gonna be in a ditch for sure.
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
that guy's dead. That is, we are the last two people to see him alive.
You're just as good as last year in the snow. Except you don't
Probably
have,
better now.
Don't have road huggers in the fucking...
Yeah, fuck them road huggers, bro. There's some motherfucker in a side-by-side down here. You can hear him. There he is.
Get some shots for this dude. Come on, come this way.
He's having the time of his fucking life. Yeah, come this way, bro. Come this way. Come on. Come this way, bro. We'll find him, I'm sure. He's having a good old time.
Oh, yeah.
Fuck yeah, man! Fuck
Popping like crazy.
yeah, seriously, holy shit.
You heard him coming and you're like...
Yeah, no, we were at the door about to go inside. I heard this bitch coming, I sprinted back here. We got one car that misfires at idle, one that misfires at high load. So I'd say we're pretty well balanced.
I'll phone with Tuk Tuk.
Alright, I'll be there in about... When are you gonna get there? Or like, how long
We have no idea, bro. The roads, with the road condition, we don't know how long it's gonna take to get there.
Yeah, and also like we're driving all the way to Mexico. It's a pretty long drive.
Yeah, it's from to Mexico, bro. That's a long ass drive. We'll let you know.
Alright.
Bye bye.
I think this will do nicely.
Yeah.
I think this will do pretty nicely. I'm gonna park up. I want to get some shots of you.
I'm probably gonna suck, but
This is a place to learn. It's on
Yeah.
snow. This is easy mode.
alright.
Bitch already got started without me. Oh shit. Did she stall it? She did stall it. Looks fun as fuck though. Can you run circles around me? Keep it tight?
I can try.
There you go. There you go. Look at you, bitch! Look at you! Yo! Don't crash traction and kill me. How's it feel?
Great. I'm
let it cool off for a bit.
That's cool. This thing looks fun as fuck. You can tell it's rear wheel drive bias versus my front wheel drive bias because you can keep tighter circles.
Oh yeah, I noticed that because like,
mine only likes to slide wide. So do you feel more comfortable spinning to the left than to the right?
yes.
I'm the same way. We're both spinning left. Good job. I said it's easy mode, and I do believe that, but it's special. It's really fun. And then my camera died because I'm incapable of planning anything out further ahead than the tip of my dick. Everything from here until when Miller arrives is really bad. I used a shitty phone to record. I'll probably fuck up in this way at least 2 more times in the future.
Fuck you, you dumb bitch!
Shit. Miller.
I'm him.
Huh?
I'm him.
You're him?
I'm him.
Stay back, get smacked, motherfucker. Here comes the Jeep. Hey, here comes the Jeep. Yeah, bitch. Yeah, bro, let's go. Did you get hit?
No, I
No?
raised my
Damn.
ass.
I think I got it.
A takeover in the snow.
Literally. I want the Jeep to come play. Ha, you stalled.
This thing is.
More throttle.
I am.
That is so fucking cool.
It's cold.
Yeah.
It's definitely cold.
Whew. Hey, you want some cocaine?
I felt something burning.
Yeah. Well, let it sit for a minute. Oh! Yo! Bro's done now. Rip Bozo. Shit, bro. No, dude, he hit that shit sideways.
Hold on.
Tucko. Ah! Keep it in first. Don't go stupid. He already spun the wheels.
That shit? Lady like a titty on God.
Mhm.
Shaw Shay.
Hey!
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. I need to throw some more shit on. Get my
Probably,
camera.
yeah. Your camera? Oh my god! As we skip through the snow.
Hello?
No.
Why is it so dim?
I don't know. Why are you so damn witted? Oh, YouTube gets to see Tuck's other vehicle.
Oh, the bike that lasted for a day and a half and then died.
Not even.
It was one night.
It's literally
Glorious
I
night.
came over to this dude's place, and he cranked up the bike and redlined it at 11 p.m. and I'm sure his neighbors loved it. And then not even an hour later,
It blew up.
the fucking carb starts
Carbs
leaking.
are leaking.
Yeah.
Here's the one that I was talking about.
Oh, I really died.
This soul Janie? 9.
Riley almost died on it.
Where did I put the rope? Let's roll. Come on, Mason.
Alright, y'all have fun.
Yes, sir. I'll call you if I get stuck in the water. Here's my second helmet.
Probably what you need to wear on the daily.
Lily can block. Here comes snowmobile.
Oh, block.
Found dead an hour later.
Oh my god.
It's
Every adjustment I make on the camera, I have to make with my nose because it doesn't work with the gloves. Could use my dick.
Yeah.
I love you said that as a fucking fishing pole flew through the frame. What are you doing? Told you. Tetra, come punch him in the head really hard.
my hands.
You hit the wrong one.
My iron throne.
The fucking noise that tire's making. Are you gonna go make yellow snow? Are you okay?
Yeah, I put that there actually.
He would be. Back in the Beamer. It's dark. We're gonna go out for some stills. Because I haven't done any stills photography in a long time, and I keep forgetting that I have a little crop sensor sitting around. So, back to my early days of photography with the T4i and the Nifty 50. This thing's really fun.
Got a Mississippi plate. He's lost.
He's lost. He won't survive the night. We were the last two people to see him alive. Bro is really struggling.
Push from the back.
You're a fucking asshole. You'll be like, what the fuck is white bitch doing in her BMW?
Oh, they spun out.
Almost a curb.
That's a big, like, look how big this bunch
Yeah.
of snow is.
This shit's thick. I'm getting hit in the face real hard. Oh, goddamn. Let's roll up, back up. I just got... Oh, first transition. Another transition. Here we go. Watch the curbs. Oh,
Great.
is that how it was?
Yep.
I could do the shiesty thing and sit out your window.
That'd be funny as fuck.
You want me to?
Do one of the back ones.
There we go. Fuck yeah. Oh, transition. Whoa, shit.